Hello friends, in this class we'll see about the next chapter, practical geometry. In practical geometry, the first topic is constructing a quadrilateral. Now, in this first case, we will construct a quadrilateral where we are given the lengths of four sides and a diagonal. Okay, so depending upon the information, that is, if angle is given, diagonals are given, we will construct different types of quadrilateral. So first let us go to the first problem. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RS is equal to 5 cm, and PS is equals to 5.5 cm and PR is equal to 7 cm. Before constructing the quadrilateral, let us draw a rough sketch. That is, this is a parallelogram or a quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, this is be a rough sketch, so it needn't be accurate. So we are given that PQ is equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RS is equal to 5 cm, and PS is equal to 5.5 cm, and we are given a diagonal PR which is equal to 7 cm. So first what we will do is we will draw the diagonal, that is PR is equals to 7 centimeter. So in your scale you measure 7 centimeter and you draw a line. I am just giving you a rough sketch. I am drawing it roughly. I am not using any scale. So when you draw, you use scale and compass. So this is 7 centimeter. I have measured it on the scale and you have drawn it. Okay. Now what you have to do is, with P as center, now take your scale. If this is your scale, take your scale and measure 4 centimeters on it. Okay, measure. How do you do it? Open your compass, keep the pointed tip at 1 and the pencil tip at 4. You get 4 centimeter. Keep measuring 4 centimeter in your compass. Place it at P and draw an arc here. Okay, keep your compass and draw an arc here. So I will get an arc here. Now let me measure 6 centimeter on the scale. That is, I will open the compass and I'll measure 6 centimeter. Then I'll keep the pointed tip of the compass at R and I will draw another arc here such that it cuts the previous arc. Always see to it that you cut the previous arc. If it does not cut, you extend the arc. That is, once again you keep it at P and you extend it so that it gets cut. So let us mark this point as yes. Okay. Now let us join these 2 points and let us draw the triangle. So what is it? This is 4 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now once again keep the compass tip at P, measure 5.5 centimeter in your, using the scale, measure 5.5 centimeter in your compass and draw an arc over here. Similarly, keep your tip at R, measure 5 centimeter and draw an arc. The arc should cut each other. Note that. Okay. Please note that the arc should cut each other. So this point I call it as yes. This arc you have to draw it in this side of P, the down side of P. Okay. Join it, I get S. So this is 5 centimeter and this is 5.5 centimeter. I hope you understood. This is how we construct a quadrilateral given the 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Thank you friends.